everyone, this is Keely with Toyota of Keene, and this is the 2020 Toyota Sienna Limited. The 2020 Toyota Sienna Limited has some powerful performance specs. With a 296 horsepower, 3.5-liter V6 engine, we have an 8-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with intelligence. You get a 3,500-pound towing capacity, and this model is all-wheel drive with active torque control, but the Sienna also comes in a front-wheel drive. So ask your dealer for more details. Here on the exterior, we have projector beam halogen headlights with the auto on-off feature and LED daytime running lights. We have 18-inch 10-spoke machined alloy wheels. We have chrome accented outside door handles with the touch sensor lock-unlock feature. We have dual power sliding side doors and power liftgate with jam protection. We have black roof rails. We have a dual moonroof with front power tilt slide and power rear slide, and you get up to 150 cubic feet of cargo space. Here on the interior, we have a heated, leather-trimmed, tilt telescopic steering wheel with audio, Bluetooth hands-free phone and voice command controls. We have a 7-inch touchscreen premium audio multimedia with 10 JBL speakers, dynamic navigation, and an integrated backup camera. We have Driver Easy Speak to amplify the driver's voice and broadcast to the people in the back. We have Scout GPS Link, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility. We have 7-passenger seating with removable premium leather-trimmed second-row captain's chairs. We have premium leatherette-trimmed 60/40 split and stow third-row seat. And you get up to over 164 cubic feet of passenger space. The 2020 Toyota Sienna Limited also comes with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which gives you some great safety tech, like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and so much more. So if you're thinking about the 2020 Toyota Sienna, the Limited might have all the bells and whistles you need, so come on down to Toyota of Keene, 591 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at toyotakeen.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping!